You are watching AliAziz Quality Education YouTube channel.
Materials and Hardware 2 in BSc Aircraft Maintenance Engineering Technology, AMET. By AliAziz Quality Education.
AliAziz Quality Education channel, providing you the aviation industry related videos. So don't forget the subscription button.
Materials and Hardware 2 builds upon the foundations laid in Materials and Hardware, I. While Part 1 introduces students to the basic aircraft materials, fasteners, and corrosion protection methods, Part 2 focuses on advanced hardware, special aircraft systems, standard practices, and non-destructive testing, NDT. This subject prepares AMET students with the practical and regulatory knowledge needed to handle critical aircraft hardware, inspect structural integrity, and ensure compliance with aviation standards. Objectives of studying aviation materials and hardware. 2. To study advanced hardware used in aircraft systems and structures. To understand safety standards and correct installation procedures. To explore advanced bonding, sealing, and control cable systems. To gain proficiency in non-destructive testing, NDT, techniques. To build practical skills for aircraft maintenance and licensing exams. Main topics covered. 1. Advanced aircraft hardware. Control cable systems. Aircraft cables, pulleys, fairleads, and turnbuckles. Correct installation and tensioning procedures. Inspection for wear, corrosion, and fraying. Electrical connectors and terminals. Standard aircraft connectors and wiring harnesses. Crimping, soldering, and safety practices. Hydraulic and fuel system hardware. Pipes, hoses, clamps, unions, and seals. Safety requirements for fluid lines. 2. Advanced fastening and joining methods. Special fasteners, Zuz fasteners, cam-lock, high-torque bolts. Bonding, adhesive joints, and sealants in modern aircraft. Welding, brazing, and soldering techniques. Safety practices in structural repairs. 3. Springs, bearings, and gears. Different types of springs and their applications. Roller bearings, ball bearings, plain bearings. Gear types used in aircraft systems, spur, helical, bevel, worm. Maintenance inspection and lubrication requirements. 4. Non-destructive testing, NDT. Ultrasonic testing, UT detecting internal flaws. Eddy current testing, ECT used for crack detection in metals. Magnetic particle testing, MT for ferrous materials. Dye penetrant testing, PT for surface cracks. Radiography, X-ray detecting hidden defects. Applications of NDT in aircraft maintenance and structural inspection. 5. Standard practices in aircraft hardware. Safety wiring and locking methods. Torque loading and torque wrenches. Identification standards, NMS, NAS hardware coding. Record keeping and documentation for hardware replacement. Importance for AMET students. Strengthens technical knowledge of aircraft structural and system hardware. Provides hands-on knowledge of inspection, repair, and installation procedures. Equips students with advanced NDT knowledge, which is highly demanded in aviation. Prepares them for EASA Part 66 exams and CAA licensing requirements. Career relevance. Graduates with strong expertise in materials and hardware, too can pursue careers as aircraft maintenance engineers, B1 mechanical/B2 avionics. NDT inspectors and quality assurance specialists. Aerospace production engineers in MRO, maintenance, repair, overhaul. Safety and compliance officers in aviation organizations. Conclusion. Materials and Hardware 2 provides AMET students with practical and industry-oriented skills essential for modern aviation maintenance. From advanced fastening systems to non-destructive testing, this subject ensures that future engineers are competent in maintaining safety, reliability, and compliance in aircraft systems.